advertised as a tradition unlike any other, the Masters begins tomorrow morning as more than 90 golfers tee off at Augusta National Golf Club in Augusta, Georgia. And over the years, the weather has often played a major role in the storied history of this golf championship. The first Masters was held in late March 1934, and in 3 of the first 6 years of the tournament, a round was postponed by the weather. These days, the final round is scheduled for the second Sunday in April. Augusta is in eastern Georgia, about 100 miles from the ocean. Average highs and lows in early April are in the mid-70s and mid-40s respectively. Average rainfall for the month is less than 3 inches, their third driest month of the year, as April was still too early for the frequent thunder of summer. The Masters is steeped in traditions, such as a green jacket that goes to the winner, but Augusta National also embraces state-of-the-art methods for keeping the course looking great. Beneath each green is a network of pipes and motors that pump oxygen into the soil. And if it starts to rain, the groundskeeper can switch to vacuum mode and suck water off the greens. This system was pioneered at Augusta National and now hums away beneath other elite courses such as Pebble Beach in California. There's more high-tech beneath the fairways, where the irrigation system is wired to on-site weather equipment, so any sprinklers that are on when rain begins automatically shut off. Now, pro golf tournaments take 4 days, plenty of time for weather to interfere, yet in about 1/3 of the Masters, no more than a trace of rain has fallen. There hasn't been a weather delay since 2008, but there were delays in 8 of the 10 years before that. 2007 wasn't one of those years, but the weekend was cold that year with wind chills in the 40s. The winning score of 1 over par tied for highest on record. Occasionally, weather pushes the last round to Monday, but that has not happened since 1983. Augusta National is one of the most picturesque courses on tour, built on the former site of a nursery with many trees and plants imported from other countries. And over the years, more than 350 plant varieties have been added. In fact, each hole on the course is named for its distinctive plant. Number 8, for example, is yellow jasmine, while number 14 is Chinese fir. One of the most famous trees on the course was a tall loblolly pine called the Eisenhower tree because President Eisenhower hit it so many times when he played there. That tree was damaged in a February 2014 ice storm and had to be removed. I lived in Georgia for 3 years and recognized a lifelong dream in 2004 to attend the Masters. It was only a practice round, but it was a thrill just being on site. At this year's tournament, the wind will be a factor tomorrow and Friday, but other than a possible sprinkle tomorrow, the weather looks dry all 4 days, though highs might not top 70 until Sunday. Stay tuned. Our extended forecast is next.